Hi all, Goda Govinda. This is Madhav Lasya from Channel ML. Today we are going to discuss about the back pain management. Everybody would have the back pain and knee pain and arthritis and all those things because of the constant working. So I'm going to discuss about how to manage this back pain. Again, I'm not a physiotherapist or a therapist or a doctor to discuss all those things, but then these things I'm going to discuss about few yogic poses as well as certain diet changes which will help you to make progress slowly and everything. First thing is certain yogic poses will definitely help. The first thing I would say is about the cobra poses. Every day, don't try it after a full meal. So first of all, lay on your tummy and then put your hands next to your um, shoulder or your chest, and then expand like this. Push as much as you can, and then relax. Push, relax, push, relax. Likewise, do it for 10 to 15 times so that you can see some difference. It will just releases all the stress from your body, especially from your back pain, from the backbone, and then also the muscles connected to it. So that's why you don't get it. Another exercise is everybody knows. First of all, stretch your legs like this, and then fingertip, and then touch your fingertip or toe tip like this. This will help you too. You can see the stretching, your muscles, your calf muscles, and everything stretching. Your muscles over here, calf muscles, everything stretching, and it also helps with the backbone. So some people will just bend it like this, but I cannot do it. So all I'll do is do stretch, and then it will help you to stretch all those things, and it will help you to relieve the back pain and the tension, pressure in the back as well as in the legs. Similarly, you can do it on the other side. So these two are one of the yogic poses, and another yogic poses is just sit on your first lean on your knee, stand on your knees, and then push it like this, and then hold your toes, or I would say heels, sorry, and then bend your head like this. So this will also helps us to release all the tension in your muscles, tension in the back muscles. Then another good exercise is called a butterfly pose. So where uh, make sure your toes are touching each other, and then do it like this. I mean, sometimes you can do it like this also, and then try to do like a butterfly. So this will also help sure all the pressure, tension in your pelvic areas and in the back got released, and then you could see the difference. So again, I'm saying by doing these three poses will never relieve you of back pain immediately or instantly, because yoga and yogic poses are basically for fixing the root cause rather than fixing the problem. So unlike others. And another thing is when it comes to diet, um, when it comes to dieting, include more of ginger. So ginger helps to increase your strengthening your backbone as well as strengthening your back muscles, um, strengthening your backbone and strengthening your back muscles. So these things will really help you to and another thing is include more of chia seeds, so that is also proven. And do a lot of oil massage into your knees, into your back bone and your back bone, and also the muscle strengthening to it, because those massaging would really help. So how to do this massage is apply any kind of oil, and then I'm just showing it over here. So fresh press and then put it down, and then press and then put it come down, and then I'll just show it to you. Press and then come down, press and then come down on the sides of the things, press and then come down. So and then press and then sideways, come down sideways, press and then come down. But this one would be more effective. Press and then come down, press and then come down, press and then come down, So these kind of massages will really help to um, will really help you to relieve the pressure from the back, and also try to release the tension in the muscles which are holding our backbone. And another thing is another thing I would say is um, you could you could also start walking, like every 1 hour. Just get up and then try to do some exercise like this, just release the tension like this in your hands and your legs every 1 hour, because everybody are doing IT job. So hands 1 hour is stress your the pressure point, everything like this. So this will help us to release tension or pressure in the accumulated in the backbone muscle and also in the backbone. So again, I'm saying, and include lot and lots of ginger, and not in the night, only in the morning, in the afternoon. Night you should not eat ginger. So if you follow these three things, I mean, this diet, this exercise, and then trying to take care of yourself and doing oil massage, it really help you to relieve the backbone muscles, and relieve the backbone muscles out of the tension as well as the stress, and it will help you to have a very good back. Yeah. So again, I'm saying I'm not a doctor or a physiotherapist, but I learned it from my yoga master, how to get it done, and it did help me a lot. I mean, I don't have any back problem, but whenever I feel tension or stress accumulated in my back muscles, then I would just do all these exercise, and it would really help me a lot. That's all for you all today. See you next time. Until then, stay safe, and then wear mask every time, and then see you next time. Goda Govinda.